Hi and welcome students. In this Microsoft Word 2016 tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create custom building blocks. Let's get started. So the first thing that you need to know is what a building block is. A building block is essentially a piece of your document that you want to save to input into another document at another time in the future. So it's not like a template where you save the entire document, but rather it's just a piece of the document that you want to save. In this case, this document contains a footer that I want to save as a building block. The footer displays the file name in uppercase letter, surrounded by a colored border. And you'll see it right down here. It looks like it has a purple border, and then there's the file name in all caps. Now, let's say that I wanted to save this as a footer that I can input onto a future document. Well, the way that we do that is we're going to double click inside of the border to open up our border options, and then I'm going to triple click to select the paragraph. Okay, you could also do a Control A, and this will select the entire footer. And now what we want to do is we want to save this as a footer. And so that way, if I ever open up the footer gallery, right up here in my header footer tools design tab, header and footer group, the footer button, it'll pop up within this area, letting me choose it for a future document. So building blocks are pretty cool in that sense that you could save something and reuse it in another document without having to recreate it or copy it from that initial document. So if I go right over here to my header and footer tools design tab, to my insert group, and I click this button right here, quick parts. Okay, now if you're not in the header footer area, you could also find this in the insert tab, the text group, quick parts. They're the same button, and that's how you do this. And so what we're going to do is within this header, or within this quick parts button, again, I have to have this area selected. I'm going to go right down here to Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery. And when I click that, it's going to open up a Create New Building Block dialog box, and this is where we choose the name. On this one, I'm just going to call it My Footer. For the gallery, I want to make sure I put it into the correct place so that it's easy for me to find in the future. So I'm going to go right over here to footers, and if I click on footers, that'll display in that footers gallery that I showed you before. Now I'm going to create a new category right here, and so I'm going to go to create new category, and I'm going to call this category My Blocks. And that way I know that these are all of my custom building blocks. And so I click OK. And for the description, I'll put my custom footer. Again, if you work for a company, you could put the company name and then footer afterwards, something like that. That's a little bit more descriptive. And then right here where it says save in, okay, for this part, we're just going to leave it alone and just save it in buildingblocks.dotx. Notice .dotx is a Microsoft template file, so it's again similar to creating a template, but it's just a piece of the document rather than the entire thing. Right here under options, it says insert content only. We're going to leave this alone and just leave that as insert content only. And then we click OK. All right, so that's been saved to our building blocks. Now let's learn how to use it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new document. So I'll go ahead and do a Control N as in new, and that'll create a brand new document. And so what we're going to do is we're going to, I'm going to go down here to the footer and double click in the footer. Okay, and so now let's go to the header footer tools design tab, the header and footer group, and we click on footer. Okay, and within this footer area, we're going to scroll through that and find the My Footer building block and insert it into the document. So you'll see all the different types of blocks here, and then at the very bottom we'll see My Footer, this block right here, and I click that, and there's my footer. Now you'll notice that the color has changed on this one. It's blue on the border, and that's because my document theme is different on this one. So that border was based off of a theme. So we would need to save the theme if we wanted that color to stay. You will notice that it says document 1 in here. This would update if I said my file name was different. Remember, this is set to be a file name and it's in all caps. So that's how we go ahead and create a brand new footer, and so that way we can use it in multiple documents. Just so you know, to delete a building block, you just open your building blocks organizer. So you could go right here to quick parts and go to your building blocks organizer, and then you'll see all of the building blocks that are included in your document, or sorry, in your Microsoft Word documents. And so you'll locate the My Footer building block and delete it. Okay, and so you could sort these probably by name is the best way to go. And then I would go down to M right here, and I see My Footer. Okay, and I could go right here and I could delete that so that it's removed from my building block. So that's how you create a brand new building block and that's how you edit the building block as well as eventually delete a building block. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you. If it has, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about anything covered in this video, please leave it in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to respond to you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.